I'm going to see how y'all going to like it when I treat y'all that way. When I say, wait a minute, yeah, you got your Mpox 1B vaccination. Can I see it? Okay, now I can shake your hand. You vaccinated, right? Because it's spreading amongst y'all. All y'all in the back end, your men. This right now, ladies and gentlemen, since this is a global emergency, this is a epidemic as of right now of the gay man. This is a epidemic of bisexual men. Yeah, I'm going to rub it. And I told y'all, I'm not the one. I'm about to flood y'all. Y'all going to be so pissed off at me. You getting ready to feel it. What is going on with you good people? Welcome to the channel. I am Ty Smith. You're watching my channel, Modern Renaissance Man. I really do appreciate you guys taking time out of your day or your evening to view my content. If you do enjoy the content, do me a favor, make sure you click that thumbs up button right there. It's not to say that you like me or anything like that. It just says to YouTube, hey, recommend more Ty's videos to me. And it also helps push my videos out there in the YouTube world, all right? We really appreciate it if you do that. And also, last but not least, I skipped something, didn't I? I know y'all know it more than I do. Don't forget to follow me on the platforms you see above and below. Now, last but not least, double check to make sure that you still are subscribed to the channel. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have to talk about this because I knew that it was going to make its rounds. My son got a hold of me and was like, Dad, I know you know and you heard about what's going on now. And actually, I didn't because I was so focused on cackling Kamala. Yeah. And now there seems to be a break. An outbreak of that, Now, yeah, ladies and gentlemen, the WHO is declaring this. Look at that. You know, because they can be trusted. World Health Organization declares ultra-deadly monkeypox strain in public health emergency of international concern. So cut all traveling off right now so we can call President Biden a xenophobe. Yeah, right. Close the border right now, right? You see how easy this is? Close the border. It's a wrap. You know they're not going to do that. Anywho, no pun intended. The World Health Organization today declared ultra-deadly strain of the monkeypox on a global... Man, this stupid ad is in the way, y'all. Give me a second here. This thing is annoying. There it is. Officials said an outbreak of the virus in the Democratic Republic of Congo and its neighboring countries posed international concern. The WHO's highest level alert. Just like COVID, right? Cut all traveling off right now, especially if you're coming from the Congo. Cut it all off. Nobody from the Congo or any surrounding states or countries are going to be entering the U.S. Close the border because we know that's where they're coming in at too, right? But no, they can't do that because then they have to call them a xenophobe like they call Trump a xenophobe. The hope is to speed up research and roll out vaccines. How convenient. How convenient. Here we go again, ladies and gentlemen. The hope is to speed up research and roll out vaccines to contain the virus, which is more infectious and several times deadlier than the one that caused the global outbreak in 2022. Do y'all even remember that? I remember they tried to scare us with that too. We didn't fall for it. We was like, BS, we're not doing this no more. Let the take its course then. Nobody fell for it. And what they wanted to hide from y'all, and I'm telling you, I covered it on my channel. The biggest amount of individuals that was found with the were gay men. Hugely affected by it. Gay men. Not regular people. Yeah. Don't believe me. Go and look it up. You're just being homophobic. That bull crap is not going to work with me. I'm just stating facts, plain and simple. Like I would say, HIV and AIDS is found mainly among gay men, period. No cases of the new strain have been reported in the U.S., give it some time, or the UK yet, but the American CDC is urging doctors to be extra vigilant for symptoms like skin rashes and lesions. Experts have also warned, and what experts? Trust the science? Those people? Yeah. Which spreads primarily through sex in gay and bisexual men. Am I being transphobic now? Because they being transphobic and bisexual phobic and they being homophobic and all that right now by saying that, right? They feel very similar to the beginning of the AIDS crisis due to how it circulates. Coincidentally, the news comes the same day as Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau told his country to prepare for a new hypothetical virus that could rival COVID. Now, why would you say something like that? What are they? How ironic and convenient it's coming right around election time. I know. Director General of the WHO, Dr. I don't care what his name is, bullcrap person, said Wednesday, it's clear that the coordinated international response is essential to stop these outbreaks and save lives. Yeah. Wait. Coordinated international response? You mean like ban traveling like Trump did? Like Trump tried to do? And y'all call him a xenophobe? You mean like that? Called him racist or saying you definitely need to shut the border down? The DRC is home to a densely packed population that frequently travels and moves across borders, raising the risk of the new monkeypox strain, which spread through physical contact, would eventually spread beyond the country. More than 17,000 suspected cases of the monkeypox, now called Mpox, and 517 deaths have been reported on the African continent this year alone. According to the African Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, this is a 160% surge compared to the same period last year. Total of 13 countries have reported cases, and in the past month, at least 50 Mpox cases have been reported in 4 countries bordering DRC, countries that have not experienced the virus before. They include Burundi, Kenya, Rwanda, and Uganda. Mpox caused an international epidemic in 2022 when it spread to more than 100 countries and killed hundreds of people, including 58 Americans. No deaths were recorded in the UK, but several thousand Brits were infected. That outbreak was caused by a more mild Clade 2 strain, which rarely is fatal. But for more than a year, the DRC has been struggling to contain a deadlier version of the virus known as Clade A1, however you say that, which kills up to 10% of those infected. The new mutated strain, dubbed Clade 1b, appears to be just as deadly. Dr. Trudy Lang, a professor of global health research at Oxford University, told The Guardian, I have heard so many people refer to this being very similar to the early days of HIV. She said this was due to spreading through sexual networks with vulnerable young exploited sex workers at high risk and facing high levels of stigma. In a report released in May, CDC officials called the DRC's largest surge of monkeypox cases ever recorded. Clade B1 has been confirmed in Kenya, Rwanda, Uganda. The virus detected in Burundi, I don't know how to say that, is still being analyzed. Dr. Josie Golding, head of the epidemics and epidemiology at the Infectious Disease Organization, Wellcome in the UK, said epidemics pose a threat to health and health equity globally. The current surge of cases in Africa demonstrates the ongoing growing threat of this pox. I'm not going to say too much more on there, folks, but you can see right there, say there's no direct cure for Mpox, but doctors aim to treat its symptoms, including clearing up the rash and managing pain. It is spread through physical contact such as kissing and sex, animals when cooking them, contaminated materials, and pregnant women who can spread it to the fetus. Symptoms of Mpox include a rash, skin lesions, fever, headaches, muscle aches, backaches, pain, swollen lymph nodes. Healthcare workers and men who have sex with men are advised to receive a vaccine even if they had no Mpox exposure. So it sounds like it's a gay issue more than a global issue, because globally not everybody is gay. Only a small percentage of the community in the United States are gay. So what does that tell you? I'm going to keep it real with y'all, because some people y'all going to get pissed off. Now, let's keep it 100% real, and I don't care if y'all get pissed off. I'm about to lay it out for you right quick, okay? Those of you who are all on people like me, metaphorically speaking, saying stuff to me, pissed off because I didn't get the Fauci, ouchie, hokey pokey clot shot. I've never had the C-19 in my life. Nothing at all. Never had no symptoms. I got hundreds and thousands of different doctors and nurses, PAs, therapists that never got it either. Lodo, you know what I'm talking about. You know who you are. Look what we did. We fought it, didn't we? We didn't get it, right? Check this out. All of you virtue signaling, easily deceived, woke individuals that was all upset and pissed off at me because I didn't get the Fauci, ouchie, hokey pokey clot shot. And then y'all got even more pissed off because I let you know I don't care. Well, Toy, you can be ace and then don't come near me. Easy. You vaccinated. You should be good, right? Right? You got your boosters. You should be good, right? Right? All of y'all happy about that vax card. Boy, y'all, I got my vax card. I can go into the grocery stores. I can go into restaurants. I can go into shopping centers. I can go to the gas station and go inside. I don't have to pay outside at the pump. We all y'all that had y'all cars and was happy that y'all were vaccinated and all that bull crap. And y'all didn't want to be around individuals like me because y'all said, and y'all believed in the dumb stuff they pushed, the trust the science crap, and all of us conspiracy theories that proved all of y'all wrong. All of you that bought into this, I can be asymptomatic. Ty Smith, can be asymptomatic. And when Biden told you guys, this is a pandemic of the unvaccinated, and y'all going around just feeling like y'all just the cream of the crop of society, only to be deceived by them and tricked by them. How's those boosters going for you guys, by the way? The reason why I say all that is this. Can I, right now, knowing that there are individuals that I work with from Chicago down to St. Louis, in Florida, in Missouri, in Tennessee, can I go to anybody that I know for a fact, you men that are gay, can I go to y'all right now and say, don't come near me? Because I don't know if you infected with the Clade 1B, huh? With the Mpox, with the monkey. How do I know? You and your partner obviously are having sex, which means you guys are at a higher risk of spreading the You know, some of y'all that I shake y'all hands, what's going on? How you doing? I'm not shaking your hands now because I don't know if you and your husband or your boyfriend, y'all two men, got down and nasty and everything like that and got the monkeypox all over your body. What if I start saying that to you? Can you show me that you got your Mpox, your booty busting vaccination? Can you show me? Can you show me that you got that? Now, my gay friends, y'all know how I am. Y'all know I'm saying this and I'm being funny as all good. You know I'm not hating on y'all because I love them. But I'm just saying, what would happen if I did that to y'all? Because I'm going to do it. I'm going to be like, bro, no hate. I'm not even fist bumping you. I'm going to start acting like how, and I'm not talking about, I'm acting like how a lot of you easily deceive, your liberals, a lot of y'all folks that fell for this stuff that was calling people like me conspiracy theory. I'm going to see how y'all going to like it when I treat y'all that way. When I say, wait a minute, yeah, you got your Mpox 1B vaccination. Can I see it? Okay, now I can shake your hand. You vaccinated, right? Because it's spreading amongst y'all. All y'all in the back end, your men, it's spreading amongst y'all. Now, just like AIDS, though, it can get to women because if you are a gay man and you're bisexual, you spreading it to women. It's so amazing that some of y'all are not going to want to come to the truth of this, that no women can sit there and they're burning bushes. It's not going to be able to cause them to spread this. You have to have something called a penis to penetrate a man or a woman, be it their vajayjay or their AA, their anus, right? That's how the stuff is going to spread. That way, men, you're going to be responsible for this. Gay men in particular, you're going to be responsible for this. Bisexual men, you are going to be responsible for this. But do not be mad at me when I ask you can I see your vax card that you don't have the monkeypox 1B going on in your body? Because I'm not shaking your hand. I'm not fist bumping you or anything. This right now, ladies and gentlemen, since this is a global emergency, this is a epidemic as of right now of the gay man. This is a epidemic of bisexual men. What? Call me what you want to. Call me what you want. You can call me homophobic, transphobic, biphobic. You can call me what you want to. I still want to see your vaccination card. Can we can it be something out there that can we put signs on stores that say, if you identify or if you recognize yourself as being a gay man or a bisexual man, we need to see your vaccination card before you come into this grocery store. We need to see your vaccination card that you got the Clade 1B vaccination shot for the monkeypox before you enter into this restaurant. Can we do that? Yeah. I'm going to rub it. And I told y'all, I'm not the one. I'm about to flood y'all. Y'all going to be so pissed off at me. You getting ready to feel it. I'm about to bring it on y'all so hard, y'all gonna be mad. Now, the ones who I'm really cool with, that I work with in these hospitals and these facilities, y'all know who y'all are. Y'all know I love y'all. I'm not gonna hate on y'all. I'm not gonna do that to y'all, but you know I'm gonna have to tease y'all. I'm like, oh, wait a minute, bro. No, don't pat me on my shoulder. Don't tell me, nah. It's about to be on. And for some of you out there in the community, I know who y'all are. I know y'all, because every time I go to a speaking event, y'all there. I'm going to tell y'all, make sure y'all put sanitizing on your hand, whatever, put some alcohol on your skin and burn it so it can burn off any possible monkeypox juices from your booty and all that stuff like that. Yeah, I'm about to tear y'all to pieces. I told you, when I have an open wound that I inflicted on one of you, I'm about to pour Himalayan salt in there. I'm about to pour potassium in there, and I'm going to rub it hard in there. You're going to be pissed off at what I'm getting ready to start doing. Get ready to feel it. Well, Ty, you shouldn't do. It's on. Anyway, y'all, let me know what y'all think of this by putting it in the comments below after this video. I am Ty Smith, Modern Renaissance Man, hoping and praying that every last one of you have food, shelter, and clothing, and most of all, I pray every last one of you guys are in great health mentally, physically, emotionally, and spiritually. God bless you all through Jesus.